Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about HubSpot really quickly. So we are going to cover what you can expect and how much is worth. Also what the HubSpot actually is. And in this video we are going to talk about CRM. So a forever free customer relationship management software. So as I said previously, CRM. That provides solution to all your CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the tasks for you or your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contracts, users, and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens you or your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. They are providing really outstanding 24/7 live support, and also I would think that they are mostly made for small businesses, medium and large enterprises. Don't really know how the small or individual business can take advantage of it. You can run it in your web browser and also get it in your Android and iOS device. If you go to hubspot.com, you will land in here. So it's completely up to you which one you want to start with. Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS, or Operations Hub. I would say that it's the best to really mix it up with, for example, Monday or ClickUp, which are also CRMs, but HubSpot extension is just one of the greatest. All you have to do is get started for free, then just log in with your, for example, Gmail account or the work account, if you will, and also what industry are you in. I'm gonna go with education, for example, like this, and then you go with the company name. We can start with like Reals. Okay. Let's say I'm company of one. Let's go like this. Let's make this up. Sorry, Azet. And let's go. And they're basically trying to personalize your experience. You can skip it or really pay extra attention to it. You can really go with it, and it's free mostly if you don't really want to go in some crazy manners. So 1 second, since it's still logging me in, and I really want to show you inside because they are not showing too much on their website. But yep, this is taking some time, but don't worry, we'll get there eventually. I really don't want to make this video that long, but I want to show you something really cool. I really giving you a heads up. Monday.com or Zoho CRM, you can pair it up with Salesforce, MailChimp, Pipedrive, all of those CRMs that really are worth it. I really think that I'm going to stop it there because I'll just show you in different video. I don't really want to waste your time for more. So check the part 2. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.